Hello dear friend, this is Rakesh here. Once again you are welcome to Resolve for You. In today's tutorial we will learn how to make YouTube short video inside OBS Studio, because nowadays YouTube shorts videos are becoming very popular, and most of people don't know how to make YouTube short, how to record YouTube video inside OBS Studio. Because you see, now I am in OBS Studio here. Now you see we can't actually, here we haven't such settings for recording a YouTube short 1080 by 920. This is actually the for YouTube shorts. This is the resolution. But in OBS you have to download a plugin. If you once do you download that plugin, it will work very fine. We have to come here. You see, now we are in browser here. You have to just type here iTunes, otherwise iTunes plugin. You see iTunes vertical plugin. This vertical plugin you have to download. You can come here from open browser. You say see open broadcast software OBS Studio. From here, from this is the forum. From this forum you can directly download. Here you see this is the site of iTunes vertical 1.4.9. Otherwise there is a here site here. Once again I type here iTunes vertical. This is actually the site of, this is the third-party plugin which OBS Studio support here. Here there are various type of features and services which are paid, but this iTunes you see here, this is actually the plugin. This is a plugin for OBS Studio. This is a free plugin. There is a plugin for iTunes multi-stream plugin for OBS Studio 30 plus. You can download free, and it allows you to stream anywhere from a single instance of OBS, Twitch, YouTube, TikTok, anywhere. This is a plugin, because I don't nowadays do a live stream, so I don't download, but you can download if you need live stream. In the next tutorial we will learn how to download it. First we come here from this this is the plugin, iTunes vertical plugin for OBS Studio 29 plus. You see, this is the download. Lots of people have downloaded and they are using for this vertical plugin. This is actually plugin. We will learn how to listen to this the class till the end, then it will be helpful for you. And please don't forget to subscribe. Here you can donate for, but I have to download. Just I will click just download. See, now I'm downloading the file here in the corner. Once we set up, then we will here make YouTube short in front of you for our YouTube, our channel. So here you can come to file here. This is actually the window installer. You can download for any platforms, Mac and Linux. I come here and I will run it as administrator. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Just click yes. This is vertical canvas setup. Yes. Now we will download it to C drive, install, finish. You see, once it is finished, now we come to our OBS Studio here. This is actually our you see YouTube channel. Nowadays we have a tutorial about DaVinci Resolve and Kdenlive or various type of software. You can join our class if you like. You can subscribe the channel for more update. So we come here, come here OBS Studio here. Hello dear friend, now I have restarted the OBS Studio after downloading this vertical iTunes plugin. Once you downloaded the plugin, you have to just close OBS Studio and restart it. Once you close and restart OBS Studio, you see here we have two separate here. You see we have separate here. Once I show you here, you see this is actually our normal scene where we record our YouTube tutorial for this simple resolution. But here you see here, this is actually our vertical resolution. You see here, this is actually our vertical resolution. This is our normal. You see, this is our normal. So remember this is a vertical resolution. We will make all settings here. Inside here we have to add here. If you want to add any tab here, source, you know, here in vertical you can rename the scene here. And in all settings we are going to see. No, please listen this class till the end. So we come here, we have now this for this YouTube tutorial I wanted to record here. This is, you see, our channel here. Now we come here and we have to, because we want to learn how to, this is, you see, a vertical canvas has appeared here. You can drag here from, you can set here. I put this on default actually, and we come here. You don't have any resource, this vertical. You can rename any. I want to write YouTube short here. You can rename your project if you want. You can put it on default YouTube short, because I want to make YouTube short for our channel. No, so I need to record, and you know OBS Studio provides us the best quality of audio. So I believe in OBS Studio only. This is open source, so you don't need to pay, but you can donate when you start earning. So you see, now we have a YouTube short. We have written this project name. We come here like in the normal OBS Studio. This is actually plugin iTunes, and we come here. We have to add actually. I want to add our audio input capture here. Same like we can add. We can come here new. You can new. I have Blue Yeti mic. You see this mic. I will just set up, and no. We have audio input here, and we can backtrack recording path. It's OBS recording. I have once assigned the same path. It will be in default here. It's everything is okay. We don't and we can for streaming in the next class we will see because we know learn how to for YouTube we can make recording path where we can assign recording path. Here we come here, and here we have OBS, and we'll just click. So we have assigned the recording path here, and this advanced use main OBS setting. Yes, it we will not change this. And here help, because the visit the virtual vertical guide. You can see the guide from here how to record. You will see all type of virtual. Visit the item Discord. You can go to the this is the plugin website here for their Discord website. You can visit the vertical troubleshoot website. If you have any problem, you can see their help. Many this is a recording. Here we have a video bitrate. We will put on the same, which this is our in default. It will remain in default. I don't change anything. It's once it is okay, we'll just click okay. Now once everything is okay here, setting from here you can add a webcam if you have a webcam, if you want to use webcam, because and in the next class I will use webcam here. And video capture device you can check from here. It because today we will simply we will try how it records our YouTube tutorial. Here I just stop here first, and you have to come here. One very important setting is here. You have to set the here the screen here, our monitor here. We will come here. You see, it's we have gone through this setting. We just right click here, and now we have to actually transform this. We want to fit to screen. Now you see our vertical video is fit to screen here. In this way we can on YouTube we can record very short on our vertical format here, but you have to just click here, see here, and transform. You have to transform, fit to transform. Once you click here, there are various settings, and you can stretch to screen. If you want to stretch, it will be a stretch, and you see in this way it will be a stretch, like if you want here. But when you stretch, video is distorted. That's why I use here for our channel for this. When we come here for transform here, fit to screen, center to screen, you can center to screen, it will be center, but it will not help you too much. And we come here and fit to screen. We in transform here we come here and fit to screen. No, it's actually the ideal format for in, because our video is not distorted here, and we can record here. Once I show you how we record on this vertical format. Now when you record in video editing, you can delete this part here. This is a black part here. Black part you can remove in video editing very easily. Hello dear friend, you see we have now set of the vertical iTunes plugin for OBS Studio. This is a very excellent plugin. Through this plugin you can record your screen, your desktop screen for YouTube short, for any type of short video. The resolution is 1080 by 1920 for YouTube. You know, it's actually the best plugin for OBS, and you know in the OBS Studio quality is the best. This is our channel here. We have various type of tutorials here for OBS Studio. We our DaVinci Resolve you can learn, Kdenlive video editing software you can learn on our software. For more update, please subscribe the channels. In future we will upload lots of video. I downloaded today this item because I needed this for recording our vertical YouTube short video. That's why. So this is the tutorial. In the next tutorial I will cover more about this item plugins. Through this plugin how you can live stream etc. Dear friend, hello dear friend, today we learned how to download this item vertical plugin for YouTube short. Through this plugin you can make YouTube short, various type of YouTube short format. Here you see we have learned how to add source. This is the main our normal for video in screen recording. This format, this is actually the vertical format where we learn to add here. You can rename here, you can add other project from here which we have gone through in this class today. From here you can same like here you see this is normal format. Here you can add various type of sources here display capture, your audio capture tool, like your webcam. You can add video capture tool, you can add, you can group the this type of here, and browser you can add in the same things. If you know basic of OBS Studio, we can add from here. You see the scene we can add here input which we have audio input which we are using here. We have added same everything is the same. Like once it's okay, you know we learned in this class how to transform here from. You can use it like the fit to stretch. You can stretch the video from here. You see you can stretch, fit to stretch here. Here we come here to for transform here, and fit to stretch. You see no, it's you can use the fit to stretch if you like. Otherwise in transform there are various type of how you can stretch here. Fit to screen, fit vertical, fit horizontal. If you try, you will understand. I use fit to screen because it give me the best quality, and I will edit in video editing software for next process here. and everything is okay. You have to click here. For from here you can record vertical. You have to start here. You see stream all vertical or output. When you stream here, you will use in the next class. We will learn backtrack on. You will use in the next class. We learn about this because this is back clip vertical. Here vertical virtual camera you can add for live streaming. Here you can go to the website. So this was our class about how to use vertical plugin Atom inside OBS Studio. And for more update, dear friend, don't forget to subscribe the channel, dear friend. Your one subscription gives me a lot of motivation to make a more interesting and creative tutorial for you. In the next class of about you OBS Studio tutorial, we will learn more about the basic, how to add source here, how to add scene. You know, OBS is the best screen and video recording software, broadcasting software, and the live streaming software. Once you know OBS Studio, you can do a lot of things inside OBS Studio. That's why don't forget to join the class. We meet in the next class, dear friend. Take care. Bye.